then, Mr. Platform. So, who wants to go first?
Dick!
Oh.
Come on then, little scooper. Remember to keep your wheels and bodywork inside at all times and enjoy the ride.
What a day to learn to fly, like a bird up in the sky. What a day to dive and swoop, do a roll and loop the loop. What a day to take a spin, that's the kind of mood they're in. What a day to take a flight, those flying machines from construction site. What a day to take a ride, in the wind they sail and glide. What a day to float on by, from the dockside way up high. What a day to ride the air, it's time to land, we're almost there. What a day and what a flight, those flying machines from construction site.
That was fun!
So, when you've loaded up the platform, give me a toot and Mr. Hooky will pull it up.